Good morning, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and shout out especially kay Sir Ulysses of Santa Ana, Pampanga. Sir, this is your unit, the W1911 all black with the two magazines included. Out of the box, kasama na yung dalawang magazines. So, ayan, the 1911 Earth of Gun made in Taiwan. So, it comes with free number 12 green gas. And also comes with, sir, ginawa ko ng 0.25 yung bibis nyo para mas mabigat, mas maganda, sir. Okay, 0.25 grams. Ayan. Okay, again, shout out kay Sir Ulysses of Santa Ana, Pampanga. Buksan na natin yung unit mo, sir. Okay, the owner's manual. Scan nyo lang, sir, yung QR code para sa parts explosion in the instruction manual. Ayan. And ito yung magazine. This is 15 rounder single stock po. Ayan, 15 rounder single stock. Okay. Yan yung first mag. Tabi lang natin to. And yung isang mag nandito nakasalpak na sa unit. Okay, the 1911, this is the standard or the classic design of 1911. Meron pa siyang lanyard loop. So, yan. Very classic. And because of the lanyard loop, so, nung times of World War, meron kasing talagang design ang 1911. Uses in 1911 in World War kasi ito yung nilalagyan ng parang yung parang sa telephone, yung tali. Na-extend. Dito yung nilalagay yung tali nila. Okay? So, ayan, nakatali yung kanilang barrel. Kaya meron siyang lanyard loop. Okay, hindi pa siya ambi ready or hindi pa siya ambidextrous ready. And with river tail, with serrations na rin sa front. Yung sight niya, sir, naka-fix. Okay, naka-fix yung sight also with the front sight. Rear and front naka-fix. And the markings, ayan, markings. Okay, threaded barrel na rin siya, sir. Okay, may thread na yung barrel niya. You can install suppressor, tracer units, or silencers. Ayan, mga ganyan. Okay, so check natin yung safety. Check natin yung safety. Okay. Up for safety, down for fire, up for safety, check, down for fire. Up for safety, down for fire. Okay, check natin yung beaver tail naman. Beaver tail safety, once hindi engaged, hindi rin siya gagana. Okay. So, ayan. It comes with two magazines. So, saan ka pa? Bibilin mo yung magazine, 1.6. So, kung itong unit ang bibilin mo, dalawa na magazine. Okay? Bibilin mo yung magazine, 1.6. Ayan, dalawa na magazine kasama. Okay? So, ito lang po yung unit na dalawa lang magazine. Yung mga silver natin, yung 1911 Classic Silver, isa lang ang magnon. Yung 1911 ME na silver, isa lang din ang magnon. So, only this unit, specific unit na 1911 Classic na black, ang dalawa ang magazine. So, ito po ang order ni Sir Ulysses of Santa Ana, Pampanga. Okay, load lang tayo ng gas. Okay, so pag-load ng gas, sir, ginto ang hawak ng magazine, ginto ang hawak ng gas. Pasok nyo lang sa butas, dun sa may inlet valve, then press. And kailangan nakatutok, sir. So, pag hindi siya nakatutok, ganun ang kinalabasan. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 segundo lang. Ang isang mag. Okay. Oops, hindi siya nakatutok. Hindi rin nakatutok. Hindi rin nakatutok. So, kailangan nakatutok talaga siya ng maayos para 1, 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay. 3 segundo lang. Okay na po. Enough na yung 3 seconds. Ilagay lang natin ng bibis. Okay, para chronograph test din natin kung ilang EPS po ito. 15 rounder capacity, so much better kung hindi nyo siya isasagad sa 15 para spring natin hindi compress. Okay. Lagyan ko lang siguro siya ng 7. Single stack siya, no? Mostly sa mga 1911 na WE, single stack. Yung mga double bell, yun yung double stack. Sa mga stocks, sa mga units ko, no? So, ayan, single stack siya. Okay? So, again, Sir Ulysses of Santa Ana, Pampanga, thank you for choosing 5th generation Hobby Shop. So, chronograph test natin tong 1911 Classic with 2 magazines. Okay? Okay, Sir Ulysses, tingnan natin kung ilang EPS tong inyong 1911 Classic. So, chronograph test tayo. Okay? So, hindi ko pa siya nasiset pala ng 6.0. Wait lang, sir, ha? Okay, set ko lang sa 6 mm yung ating diameter. Then 0.20 grams. I'm using 0.20 grams sa chronograph. So, ayan. So, nakaset na siya. Okay. So, chronograph test tayo. Check natin EPS. Okay. Sir Ulysses. First test. Firing. Okay. 350.3. Lakas. Okay. Second test. 345.0. Third test. 341.1. Lakas din, ha? Fourth test. 335.2. Okay? Malakas. Okay, so ngayon, proceed tayo sa rapid shooting. Okay, Sir Ulysses of Santa Ana, Pampanga, rapid shooting test. Okay. Firing. Okay, nag-open slide na siya. Wala ng bala. And, test natin yung isang magazine. So, bali dalawang magazine kasi ito kasama. So, test natin yung isang magazine. Ayan, insert the magazine lang. And then, ito, down nyo lang to. Ang slide, stop, slide, release. Ayan, down, then release. Okay? Firing. Okay. Open chamber ulit. Release the magazine lang. Then, pull back nyo lang to hanggang sa yan, focus na natin na. Yan, pull back nyo lang hanggang sa gumitna. Then, tsaka mo siya ida-down, tsaka mo siya release. Okay, hammer down. Okay, Sir Ulysses of Santa Ana, Pampanga, sir. Okay na yung unit mo. Thank you for choosing 5th generation Hobby Shop. If you have more question, message lang sa aming page, 5th generation Hobby Shop. Thanks, sir, and God bless.